All right, guys, check out this beast of a Ford Raptor. Look at the stance on this thing. It literally takes up the whole lift. It's got over $100,000 in suspension upgrades. It's for a famous Austrian YouTuber.
So you guys may actually not know it, but these cows, they actually love watching me drift. They come here every time we're up here and they basically, right now it's trying to act not so interested, but it's the same with the girls. The less interested they actually are, the more they want you.
But he's super cool, dude. And we really appreciate it. He watches us, he follows us on YouTube. And he brought his truck, so we're gonna make some sound adjustments on it. We had a manifold leak at the turbo, so we fixed that at the downpipe after the turbo. We fixed that for him. We made him some custom gaskets for it. Look at them wheels. And I'm gonna show you guys the setup on it right now with the exhaust. And then we're gonna change it up for him because he wants it louder. But there's the turbos up there. We put gaskets on each side. There's the high flow cats there and right there. Then 3-inch pipe goes into the X pipe right there. Then he's got 2 Valvetronic mufflers by our good friend Austin and 2 resonators. 1 resonator there, 1 resonator there. There's a Valvetronic muffler there and there. And if you guys don't know anything about Valvetronics, they are a valve system. So you open them, they become straight pipe. You close them, they become like you have mufflers on it. But he just wants it louder. He wants a lot more throatier sound. So I'm gonna let you guys hear it with the valves closed and the valves open. And then we're gonna cut it up and see what we can do to make it sound even better. All right, Valvetronic sounds phenomenal on it, but he wants it throatier, and it is the EcoBoost. So we're gonna play around with some different style mufflers. We're probably gonna make it into a single because the single gives it a throatier sound. We'll see. Stay tuned. All right, guys. So right now the valves are closed. So here we go. This is what it sounds like with the valves closed. You guys can see it's a nice clean tone for an EcoBoost. But you can tell it's really quiet. So that's valves closed. So this is round 2. This is with the valves open. Valvetronic designs on a Ford Raptor, fully built. So it's got more pop now. But he's complaining it's not throaty enough. So we're gonna mess around with it and see how much throatier we can get it. And we'll let you guys go through the process with us. Every test we do, we're gonna record it for you guys, okay? Stay tuned. This is the first test on this EcoBoost. This is just straight pipe. You can see it's upgraded turbos on it and everything. Give it gas. It's definitely too loud. All right. Turn it off. So that was straight pipe, no mufflers. Now we're gonna try the NTR race mufflers. Give it gas. Third setup is a Flowmaster Super 10, dual in, dual out. That's not bad. But it's not it. One more. right, now guys, this is the Carven R. We're gonna let you guys hear the Carven R. Here we go. That's not bad either. Yeah. It's a lot throatier. All right, that's Carven R. Turn it off. This is the Flowmaster Outlaw series. Here we go. That's idle. No. No. Again. Okay, turn it off. That was the Flowmaster Outlaw. Now this is the Borla ProXS with a built-in X pipe in the middle, so it'll have a double X pipe, basically a double helix design. Here we go. Go ahead. No. It's nice, but it's just too muffled. Again. So that's the Borla ProXS. Turn it off. This is the Flowmaster Super 40, dual in, dual out. Go ahead. Still the same. It's a lot better. All right, tell me what you think, guys. Let me know in the comments. Flowmaster Super 50, big block. Give it gas. Again. You see how it has that little tin? No. I'm talking like when it's maximum rev, like it's in the mufflers. Again. All right. Okay, this is the last one of them all. Is the Dynomax race bullets. Here we go. That's the one you hear the most turbo with. The turbo whistle. Again. Wow. All right. Let me know in the comments, guys. Stay tuned. Which one was your favorite? So we got Otto from Shaefchen at Exhaust Addicts, brought his beautiful Ford Raptor.
Yes, sir. We're gonna see how it sounds, I guess.
So we went ahead and put some NTR race mufflers, an X-pipe, and dumped it. See how he likes it compared to that Valvetronics and resonators and everything. That sounded really nice, but he wanted more loud and crazy. So that's what we're gonna do.
I hope. We're gonna see. how it
Yes,
sounds,
sir.
man.
We will see. Stay tuned, guys.
Sounds way deeper than before.
Yeah. Does it sound better in person, right?
Just like a truck is supposed to sound like. Before that it was way too high pitched, now I think it's pretty good.
It's clean. All right, good. He's happy.
I am.
Yes, fist bump. Yes, sir. That's awesome. Go ahead. Yes. Here's the sound decibels. Go ahead. Right at 101. clean. 104. Go ahead and back it out. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. We love our fans and fellow YouTubers. We appreciate them. Give us your handle.
Shaefchen, OG Shaefchen.
He's on Instagram and on YouTube.
I hope you know how to spell it.
Yeah, we'll make sure we'll link you. We'll put your link up and
Don't worry,
everything.
all good.
We got you, bro. Don't worry. That sounds so much better. Beautiful Raptor. There it is, the beast. Here we go. So this is his first test drive. After we finished, we did a bunch of tests on it. I think he's happy with this one. Beast mode out of a Raptor. I love it, guys. Enjoy.